Once upon a time, deep in the ocean, there was a beautiful coral kingdom, bustling with colorful fish of all shapes and sizes. Among them lived a curious little lionfish named Leo. Leo was different from the other fish. He had long, flowing fins that resembled a lion's mane, and vibrant, iridescent scales that shimmered in the sunlight. But he was also known for his inquisitive nature and adventurous spirit. One day, Leo decided he wanted to explore the deepest parts of the ocean. He asked his friends, "Who wants to join me on an adventure? I heard there's a mysterious cave down there." Many of his friends were scared, but Leo's excitement was contagious. So, a small group of brave fish decided to embark on the journey with him. They swam deeper and deeper, their torchlights illuminating the dark waters. Suddenly, they came across a cave entrance. It was narrow and dark, but Leo bravely led the way. Inside, they found a world unlike anything they had ever seen. There were stalactites and stalagmites made of coral and glowing, luminescent creatures floating around. But then, something unexpected happened. A loud noise echoed through the cave, and out of the shadows, a giant, menacing lionfish appeared. It was twice as big as Leo, and its scales glinted menacingly under the torchlight. The brave fish were frightened, but Leo stepped forward. "We mean you no harm," he said, trying to sound confident. "We're just here to explore." The giant lionfish snarled, but then it seemed to soften. "I am the guardian of this cave," it said. "I protect the rare and beautiful creatures that live here. You must leave." Leo and his friends looked around, overwhelmed by the beauty they had seen. They realized that the cave was a special place, and it was important to protect it. "We understand," Leo said. "We'll leave, but promise us one thing. Can we visit again?" The giant lionfish nodded, and Leo and his friends swam back to the surface, their hearts filled with a newfound respect for the ocean's mysteries. From that day on, they shared their adventure with the other fish, teaching them about the importance of protection and conservation. And whenever they saw a lionfish, they remembered their brave friend Leo and the adventure that changed their lives forever. The end.